Hi, this is Darius Brown, City Councilman for the 3rd Council District. We're continuing to create livable neighborhoods in the 3rd District with a desirable housing stock for you, the residents of the City of Wilmington and residents of the 3rd District. I'm inviting you to come out and join me on Tuesday, October 13th at 11 a.m. for the groundbreaking of an 8-unit townhome project, Walnut Place, which will be located at 14th and Walnut Streets. This project is developed by INF, Inner Neighborhood Foundation, and we're looking forward to creating this positive homeownership opportunity in the 3rd Council District. So join me Tuesday, October 13th at 11 a.m. for the groundbreaking of Walnut Place on 14th and Walnut Streets as we continue to create livable neighborhoods in the 3rd District, for we are the place where opportunity lives.